Hello, hello, hello! I'm Hamid Reza, and today we're gonna practice telling the time. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start! Quiz time! What time is it? What time is it? A. 3:15. B. 3:15. C. 3 o'clock. D. 15 to 3. Remember, when the long hand is on 12, it's o'clock. No past, no 15. Just o'clock. So in this question we asked, what time is it? The correct answer is C. 3 o'clock. Yeah, got this. Easy. Wait, quarter past or quarter to? Which one? What time is it? A. 8:15. B. 8:45. C. 8:45. D. 9:15. Be careful. When the minute hand is on 9, it's quarter to the next hour, not past. So in this question we asked, what time is it? The correct answer is C. 8:45. Quarter to 9? Wait, what? Oh, okay. How do we say this time? How do we say this time? A. 7:30. B. 37. C. 7:15. D. 7 o'clock. Easy. Think numbers. When we read a digital clock, we usually say the two numbers, hour and minutes. So in this question we asked, how do we say this time? The correct answer is A. 7:30. $7:30, I knew it. It's almost 3 o'clock. But how do we say it? How do we say it? It's 2, 3. Two means how many minutes until the next hour. When it's almost 3, we say 2, 3. So in this question we asked, how do we say it? It's 2, 3. The correct answer is 3 minutes. Not 3 to 3. Can we have a break? No? Short one? Morning or evening? AM or PM? I eat breakfast at A. 8 p.m. B. 8 a.m. C. 10 p.m. D. 12 a.m. Remember, AM means morning, before 12 o'clock in the day. Breakfast is in the morning, so it should be AM. So in this question we asked, I eat breakfast at. The correct answer is B. 8 a.m. Okay. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? It's A. 3 past 8. B. 3 minutes past 8. C. 8 past 3. D. Past 3 minutes 8. Don't say minutes when it's 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25. But when it's 3, you have to say 3 minutes past. So in this question we asked, which one is correct? It's the correct answer is B. 3 minutes past 8. How do we say this time? How do we say this time? A. Quarter to 4. B. 4:15. C. Quarter to 5. D. 4:45. Don't say 2. The minute hand is only at 15. That means it's past, not 2. So we say 15 past 4 or 4:15. So in this question we asked, how do we say this time? The correct answer is B, 4:15. What do we say? What do we say? It's 6. Don't say 50 past. We say half past in English. This is how you read an analog clock. So in this question we asked, what do we say? It's 6. The correct answer is half past. Half past, yes, I got it. Wrong or right? What time is it? What time is it? A. 4:20. B. 24. C. 20 past 5. D. 4 o'clock. Don't mix the numbers. Digital clock goes hour, then minutes. So in this question we asked, what time is it? The correct answer is A, 4:20. Hmm, 20 past or 22? Which one? What time is it? A, 20 past 8. B, 20 to 8. C, 8:40. D. 8:25. Don't say 2. The minute hand is still before 30. When it's 8:20, we say 20 past 8, not 22. So in this question we asked, what time is it? The correct answer is A, 20 past 8. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.